Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, playing with numbers. In this chapter, we learn the factors and multiples. Okay, you already know that what is meant by factor and what is meant by multiple. So today we revise it again. So first we see the factor. The factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Means factor of a given number are numbers which divide the given number completely without leaving remainder. Suppose we find the factors of 6. Okay, so here, see here, now we find the factor of 6. How to find? So what is the definition? See here, the factors of a number is an exact divisor of that number, or when we divide the number, we the number is divide completely without leaving remainder. See here, suppose we find a factor of 6, so we start from 1. Okay, so 1 to 1, we take 1 table of 1, so we divide this number by 1. 1 6 are 6, so here we get remainder 0. Okay, so 1 is a factor of 6. Then second number, suppose now we take second number, that is 2. We take table of 2. This 6 divided by 2. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Again we get remainder here 0. So here 3 again, 2 again remainder of 2 is factor of 6. Okay, see here we get remainder. Now we take the table of 3. 3 3 divided by 6. 6 3 to the 6. Again we get remainder here 0. Means 3 is the exact divisor of that number. So again 3 is the factor of 6. Here 2 is the quotient and 0 is remainder. Okay. Now again we check the table of 4. 4. So here we write 4 divided by 6. 4 ones are 4. We get remainder here 2. So 4 is not a factor of 6. So 4 is not a factor of 6. Then next number is 5. 5. Now we take a table of 5. 6. 5 ones are 5. Again here we get remainder 1. So again this is 5 is not a factor of 6. Then next number is 6. And 6 ones are 6. So here we get remainder 0. Means 6 is a factor of 6. Okay, and after that we get a greater number. 6 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा 7. लेकिन 6 से 7 बड़ा है. Then 8, then 9. These all numbers are greater than 6. So 6 is a higher factor or a greater factor of given number. So we write here. Now we take another example. See, so what is the factors of 6? 1. Okay, we take only one time. Okay, this is 2. Then 3. Here is no 4. 3, 2 and 3 we take already here. So we take here 6. So what is the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are factors of 6. Now again suppose we take a number 12. Okay, so what is the factors of 12? Again we start from 1. Okay, 1 12 are 12. Then 2. 2 का टेबल बोलो. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So we get again remainder 0. See here 2. Okay, so here 2 is a factor of 12. The next is 3. Check the table of 3. 3 4s are 12. Okay, again 4. Table of 4. 4 3s are 12. Again 5. 5 के टेबल में 12 आते हैं? No. There 5 2s are 10. So we get here remainder 2. So 5 is not a factor of 12. Then 6. 6 2s are 12. So 6 is factor of 12. Then 7. 7 2s are 14. So here 7 is not a factor of 12. Then 8. 8 2s are 16. Again 16 is not a factor, 8 is not a factor of 12. Then 9, 10, 11. These are also not a factor of 12 क्योंकि 12 उनके टेबल में आते ही नहीं है. ओके, सो वी डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते 12 को 8, 9 और 10, 11 से. सो these are not a factor of 12. The next is 12 and 12 ones are 12. So we get here the factors of 12 are 12. Then write the factors 1, 2. 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, then 6. Then here again these are same numbers, so we take only one time 6 and last 12. So 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, and so remember this, 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, so 1 is a factor of every number. Then 1 is the factor of every number. Then every number is a factor of itself. So 6, the factor 6 is factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. 12, 12. Okay, so here again we write this. Every number is a factor of itself and it is greater factor. ओके, ये सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर आएगा, इसके बाद कोई भी नंबर नहीं आएगा. द नंबर इट सेल्फ इज द ग्रेटर फैक्टर ऑफ दिस नंबर. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज एवरी फैक्टर ऑफ अ नंबर इज एन एग्जैक्ट डिवाइजर ऑफ दैट नंबर. Exact divisor, because when we divide by 2, 3, 6 we get remainder 0. So every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number, and every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So here we see one more example here. Suppose these, see here, now here find the factors of 3. Okay, so factor of 3, 1. 1 is a factor of every number. Remember this, 1 is a factor of every number. 1, 3s are 3. Okay, we divide any number by 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. Then 2 के table, not possible. Then table divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay, so here we get the number 3 ones. So here we get which are the, after that we get greater number is here 4, 5, 6. So 3 is a greater factor. Okay, so 3, every number is a factor of itself. So here we get the 2 factor, 1 and 3. Okay, then 5. What is the factor of 5? 1 5s are 5. Then check the table. 2 के table में no, not possible. After that 2, 3 again not possible. 4 के table से भी 5 divide नहीं होगा 4. So again 4 is not possible. Check this is 4 1s are 4. Here we get remainder 1. So 1 is not, we get here remainder 1. So 4 is not a factor of 5. Okay, so next number is 5. 5 1s are 5. This is possible. So we get only 2 factors, 1 and 5. Then suppose we take 7. 1 7s are 7. 1 is the factor of every number. Then 7 कौन से टेबल में आएंगे? 2 not possible. In table of 3 not possible. 4 5 6 के भी टेबल में 7 नहीं आएंगे. So कौन से टेबल में आएंगे? डायरेक्टली 7. 7 1s are 7. So here we get only 2 factor again, 1 and 7. Okay, so you remember this. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factor, 1 and number itself. Okay, so here every number except 1. क्योंकि 1 को कौन से factor? Only 1. लेकिन except 1, every number has at least 2 factors, that is 1 and number itself. See here, 1 and number itself. 7, 1 and number itself. Okay. So these are information about factors. Then now we see the multiples. See here, now multiples of a number can be obtained by multiplying the given number by 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, multiples. So multiples means we multiply the number again and again and again. So we get the new number. It's called the multiples of given number. So see here, suppose we find the multiples of 2. Okay, so how to find the multiples? Multiples can be obtained by multiplying the given number by 1, 2, 3 and so on. So see here, suppose first we multiply the number 2 ones are 2. Okay, then 2 twos are 4. Then 2 threes are 6. We multiply first. We multiply by 1. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 twos are 4. Then 2 threes are 6. Then 2 fours are 8. Then 2 fives are 10. Then 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, okay, 2 13s are 26, 2 14s are 28 and so on. There is no limit, okay. So we get the multiples infinite numbers, okay, means here is no limit. We get the multiples again and again, okay. So see here, these are the multiples of 2, okay. Now see again, we find the, suppose we find the multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3 again? So we write here 3 ones are 3, then 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, then 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, then 3 elevens are 33, 3 twelves are 36 and so on, okay. Here is no limit. The multiples are unlimited, means infinite. The numbers of multiple of a given number is infinite, okay. So to you see here the multiples, every number is a multiple of 1, okay. Same, 1 is a factor of every number. Again here every number is a now multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Then every number or every multiple of a number is a greater than or equal to number, okay. So यहाँ पे देखो, so 2 is a the given number. So the multiples are, every number multiples of a number is greater than or equal to that number. So here 2 2, लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो 2 के बाद सब नंबर ग्रेटर नंबर आ रहा है, मीन्स multiples are equal to or greater than the given number. 3 equal to 3 और all the multiples are greater than given numbers. 3 से सब नंबर ग्रेटर है, ओके. यहाँ पे 2 इक्वल टू रह सकता है मल्टीपल और ग्रेटर देन गिवन नंबर. कोई भी नंबर है, सपोज वी टेक अ 5. तो व्हाट इज द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, then 15, 20, 25. See here, the multiples are greaters, okay. 5 is equal to multiples equal to the given number or greater than the given numbers, okay. So these are second point. The numbers of multiple of a given number is countless, okay. So here The multiples are countless. Here is no limit. The list is endless. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई end नहीं है. The list is continue. We multiply the given number again and again, again and again. So here the list is endless. So we write here the number of multiples of a given number is countless. Okay, and means the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Okay, the factors are finite because factor, जब आप सपोज आपने फैक्टर देखे, व्हाट इज द फैक्टर्स ऑफ टू, आपको पता है अभी फैक्टर्स में जो नंबर टेबल में आएगा कंप्लीटली डिवाइड होगा. ओके, सो सपोज द फैक्टर ऑफ टू आर 1 is the factor of number itself or 2. Okay, these are the two factors of 2. आफ्टर दैट 3 तो नहीं आएगा क्योंकि 3 इज अ ग्रेटर नंबर, ग्रेटर देन 3. तो फैक्टर्स कितने आ गए 2 के? ओनली 2, 1 and 2. So here we get only 2 factors. So factors are limited. Factors लिमिटेड रहते हैं और एवरी फैक्टर्स इज इक्वल टू और स्मॉलर देन गिवन नंबर. लेकिन मल्टीपल्स क्या होते हैं? ग्रेटर होते हैं. ओके, सी हियर मल्टीपल्स आर इंक्रीजिंग इन ऑर्डर बट फैक्टर्स आर इक्वल टू और स्मॉलर देन गिवन नंबर. So here we say that the multiples are countless or infinite and factors are finite. Finite means जिसको लिमिट है. यहाँ पे इसके बाद कोई भी फैक्टर नहीं आएगा. ओनली इसके कितने फैक्टर हो गए? ओनली 2 फैक्टर, 1 and 2. बट मल्टीपल्स आर अनलिमिटेड मीन्स इनफाइनाइट. ओके, and every number is a multiple of itself. And again we write here every number is a multiple of itself. See, 2 का multiple 2, 3 का multiples 2, 5 का multiples 5. So every number of a multiples of itself. Okay, so these are the difference between factors and multiples. Okay, thank you.